Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into source. 10 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Start. Which means the point in time or space at which something has its origin. Start. For example, we were present at the start of the event. Number 2. Derivation. Which means the formation of a word from another word or from a root in the same or another language. Derivation. For example, the derivation of the word toff. Number 3. Origin. Which means the point or place where something begins, arises, or is derived. Origin. For example, the origins of life and the physical universe. Number 4. Beginning. Which means the background or origins of a person or organization. Beginning. For example, the therapy has its beginnings in China. Number 5. Etymology. Which means the origin of a word and the historical development of its meaning. Etymology. For example, the etymology of the word devil. Number 6. Provenance. Which means the place of origin or earliest known history of something. Provenance. For example, the police were suspicious about the provenance of the paintings. Number 7. Genesis. Which means the origin or mode of formation of something. Genesis. For example, this tale had its genesis in fireside stories. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.